So today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox with you, and I did notice that they had something new. It said, try this, and it was a theme box. So when I went to go do my next fix, I saw that you could pick a different theme, like there was a summer edit theme. And this is the Coastal Casual Fix. So I thought that was really neat how they were doing themes now. And then I was also able to pick whether I wanted 5, 6, 7, or 8 items in this fix. But I was really excited to see that they're kind of doing the themes like Wantable is. And that's what I would always get from Wantable, is a specific theme. They do also send a style preview for that as well. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, they are a clothing subscription service. It costs $20 as a styling fee. And then if you do purchase anything from your fix, that goes toward the purchase of anything that you decide you want to keep. If you decide you want to try Stitch Fix for the first time, I do have a referral link in the description box. If you want to click on it, it will give you $25 off your first box, and it'll also give me $25 off my next box as well, so we can help each other out in getting some new things for our wardrobe. There'll be a shipper to send anything back that you don't want. You just put it in here. It's free shipping to you and free shipping back for anything you don't want. And then it also gives you a little styling card in here that tells what all is in there, the total cost of it, and then a note from your stylist. So this was the Coastal Casual Fix, and let's just get into it. So here is the bundle, lots of really pretty colors. I do really like these edits, and like I love the coastal vibe, so I'm excited to see what they're gonna have in here. So this first top is from Mason & Belle, the Thalia lace detail top in size medium. So it looks like it has a cotton gauze in the front and then a little bit of eyelet detail in the back with a slub knit material. I want to give a little bit of reference. I have been getting a lot of mixed material tops, and I've been stating that I am just tired of getting those. I'm getting the same thing over and over. No more mixed material tops. And then I'll also see if I have my same stylist. So the next thing is this striped top from Monday Fun, the button detail blouse in size medium. So this feels like it might have a linen blend. Yeah, it's rayon, nylon, and just 7% linen. So this is that top. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit see-through as well. This looks fun, whatever this is. This is a fun print. So this looks like a dress, and it is from GILLI, the summer asymmetrical hem dress in red. I do not like asymmetrical dresses. I don't like them when they're longer in the back than the front, but I do like this print, so we'll see how it goes. It's a real pretty color. And then the next thing is the sleeveless top from Mason & Belle, the Troian button-down top in light green, size medium. So this feels like it has a polyester feel to it. Let's see what this is made out of. 100% rayon. So I'm not really getting those natural fibers I asked for. And this looks exactly like a top that I got in my last fix. So this is the Daniel RAINN Eyelet Detail Blouse, navy, size medium. Literally looks exactly identical to a top that I just got from my latest fix. So this is a little bit different. This looks like a maxi or maybe a midi length dress from Market & Spruce. It's the Slub midi dress in dark pink. So I like this, especially if it has pockets, and it does. Pretty color. So here's some bottoms. These are from Tribal. They're the Audrey button fly wide leg pant in dark pink, size 8. I think I have this exact pant in the blue from Tribal. And then this is something else from Tribal. Looks like a pair of shorts. The Lola high-rise pull-on shorts in black. So these feel like a trouser short, so these will be really nice. So that is all. And I did say that I wanted 8 things because you still get the 25% off if you purchase at least 5. So you don't have to buy everything. You've got a little bit of leeway, because a lot of times I'll find that I will buy something that I don't like as much just to get that 25% discount, because it turns around with the Stitch Fix math, and it's a little bit cheaper to do it that way anyway. So this way, even if you get 8 items, if there's at least 5 that you like, then you still get that 25% off discount. So let's go ahead and start with the try on. So the first thing is gonna be this dress. I think this is the Market & Spruce dress. I love the color of it, and I love a great casual dress for summertime, just something to throw on with some sandals or some sneakers and go out the door. Be nice and comfortable. So I like the neckline of this one. It does have pockets. It's got that slub knit material. It's nice and breathable, and I do like the length. It's more of like that midi style length. So I think this will look really good with a pair of flat sandals for a really great casual look, just to be, you know, comfortable, casual. So this is the Market & Spruce Slub mini dress in dark pink, size medium, and it's $59 for this one. So I thought I'd go ahead and start off with the dresses first. And so I was kind of skeptical at first because it said it was an asymmetrical hem, so I thought it was going to be a lot shorter in the front than the back, but it's not. And I kind of like this little wrap detail, this faux wrap detail, and it's got a V-neck, some flutter sleeves. I like the print. There's no pockets in this one, which I like because I think it would accentuate the hips a little bit if it did have pockets in this one. So I like the length is right up above the knee on this one. The color's gorgeous. I love the print. This would be a perfect dress for like a Caribbean cruise, but I don't have one of those scheduled quite yet. But I think this is a really pretty dress for a tropical vacation, or I mean, this could be also like a Sunday best dress if you want it to be really bright and colorful. So I do think I like this one too. So this is the GILLI Summer Asymmetrical Hem Dress in red, size medium, $54 for this one. So I have on the Daniel RAINN navy top, and it's actually surprising that it's a little bit tight here in the hip area. This is the same size I always get in the Daniel RAINN, but for some reason this one feels a little bit tighter. But this is almost identical to one that I've got in either my last fix or the one before that. So this is definitely going back because I don't need two that look exactly alike. I mean, it's a Daniel RAINN, it's navy, and it has eyelet detail on it. So I'm not sure why this one was sent to me. I feel like it's getting a little bit repetitive. But I do like these bottoms. These pants are just like those navy ones that I got probably about 4 months ago in a fix. And I think that the navy's a little bit more forgiving here in this area, but I do love the color of this one. And I love the way the navy looks with it. So I can definitely wear a navy with this and think it looks really good. This is at that point where it's kind of cropped, but then it's at that point where it almost looks like it's too short. It's like it's supposed to be pants, but they're just a little bit too short. So I wish they were a little bit shorter. I love tribal pants. I think they're really comfortable and they feel really good on. The material's really nice on them. So the top is from Daniel RAINN. It's the Kiara Eyelet Detail Blouse, navy, size medium, $64. Again, I don't need another $64 top when I have one very similar. The bottoms are from Tribal. They are the Audrey Buttonfly Wide Leg Pant, dark pink, size 8, $68 for these. So I decided to put the striped top on with these dark pink pants, and it is a little bit see-through. It's a very sheer, lightweight material, and it does have that linen blend, but the linen is only 7%. It's mostly a rayon material. It's got that V-neck and then like the diamond sleeve. It's a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front, but it's still a little bit of that shorter style, so you don't have to worry about taking it. But I'm not sure I like how see-through it is. Let's see how much it is. So this is from Monday Fun. It's the button detail blouse in white, size medium, and this one is $45. So I'm not sure I really like this one too much. So I put on the Tribal shorts in this black. I like how they stretch. They have a really nice stretch to them, and they're just a pull-on style, so they're really comfortable, but they have a button, so it looks like they do have that button fly detail. There's front pockets. There's no back pockets or anything like that, but I like the length of these. I think they're really nice and comfortable, and I love how they stretch out and they just have a comfortable waistband. The top, I actually like this top as well. It's got the eyelet detail here, and then it's got like that cotton gauze, and I'm trying to tell, it is a little bit see-through, so I do like my white tops to not be so see-through. And then you can kind of see here in the back, it's got like that slub knit detail. I did just tuck that so you can see the length when I untake it, and you can see the black showing through, so it is see-through. But I do think I like the top because it just feels really nice and breathable and stretchy, and just a nice white top. I just got to see if I like it, that it's so see-through. So the top is the Mason & Belle lace detail top in white, size medium. It's $49. The shorts are the Tribal Lola high-rise pull-on short in black, size 8, $48 for those. And then this is the last top that they sent, and this is in a really pretty green color. You've got a little bit of detail up here, ruffle detail, buttons. And then this is made out of like that crepe material, and it doesn't have a lot of stretch to it or anything. I like that you can't see the bra through the armholes. I do have this little front tech because it is a little bit longer to just leave it out. And I just kept it on with those Tribal shorts. So I think I like this one too, maybe. So this top is from Mason & Belle, the Troian button-down top, light green, size medium, $45. So the total for all 8, keep in mind I'm getting 8 items instead of 5, is $432. If I did the 5 buy plus discount to get 25% off, that would take $108 off, making the subtotal $324. Then when you take off the styling fee then it is $304. So the total for all 8 items is $304 if I kept everything. But I know that I'm not keeping that navy Daniel rain top because I have one exactly like that. So let me know out of this what you guys like. Did you like anything from this fix? And did you feel like this was pretty close to the theme of the coastal casual fix? And also let me know if you're getting that too. So I had noticed for like a short time, maybe for a week period of time, that I was getting something saying new, and then it had these different themes. And I don't know if like the time frame was up of when they were doing the themes or they were testing them out and they weren't very popular. Let me know if you got those as well, if they were just testing them in certain areas. I'm just curious to know. And then also, do you like anything from this box? And did you think that it was pretty tailored to a coastal casual fix? Is that what you kind of had in mind? So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. And then I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And then also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. That really does help me out a lot and helps to get people to see this video. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.